Hey guys, so market is trying to break the second ATR. You see the buyers pushing here
long
crazy.
signal and long signal
Okay,
and
we're gonna
Q.
go long here, guys. See the buyers in the tape. They're gonna be trying to push the price up. Let's give it some room. There you go, buyers in the tape, guys. So quick trade. Don't want to be involved too much. Come on, guys. See buyers trying to push it. Sellers cannot push it down. Come on, guys. Come on, buyers. 4,000 contracts long here, guys. You see in the volume indicator. There we go. Buyers picking it up at the low of the bar. See high imbalances here in the breakout. Okay, this is important because you see the market is wanna go higher from here. Then we have the other clues, which are the boxes. See the boxes here. Say no, we don't wanna go short. We're going long. You see the buyers, 300 buyers.
Long
Okay.
signal and Q.
It's a free trade now, guys. Quick. Plus 500 here, guys.
Long
Okay.
signal and
What
Q.
happened here, guys? You just need to read what the boxes tell you. The boxes is pure order flow. These boxes, you don't see these patterns. You are not able to see them on the Unirenkos. The Unirenkos are clean charts. Okay, so the boxes will tell you exactly where market is a grouping again, and they're trying to make an offensive. Okay, now you see this stopping volume here. You see the stopping volume here. It is 2 boxes. And then what the market is going to do, we already know that the intention, they're stopping the market. Then the market reverses. You see the visual imbalance pushing the price here. You saw the stacking over here, buyers pouring in the tape. You know, it was a no-brainer. I entered very late, but it was too quick for me, so it's okay now, guys. 500 bucks, and I did a short in the morning. Had electricity issues again, couldn't make the video, guys, but let's see. Okay, let's see. So okay, I'll show it in another time. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching, guys.